What is military line of sight? Loss communication. Imagine trying to talk to a friend across a park, but there's a big tree blocking your view. You can only hear each other if you're both in direct sight. That's similar to what happens in military line of sight communication. It's a way of sending messages directly between two points where both can see each other without anything blocking the way. This means no buildings, hills, or terrain can be in the way. The signals travel in a straight line, like a laser beam, from the transmitter to the receiver. In the military, this type of communication usually uses radio waves in the very high frequency and ultra-high frequency bands. These radio waves are great for quick, secure messages but don't bend around obstacles or follow the Earth's curve. That's why the range is limited to what the line of sight covers, often just the horizon or the area where the terrain is flat. If a hill or building gets in the way, the signal can be blocked and communication stops. Back in the day, soldiers used visual signals like flags, smoke, or lights to communicate over short distances. Today, soldiers relying on radio systems that still need a clear line of sight to work well. One key part of loss communication is the Fresnel zone, an elliptical area around the direct path. For the best signals, this zone must be free of obstacles because interference can weaken or cut off the message. Soldiers depend on loss communication during field operations to coordinate movements, call for fire support, or share important intelligence. To keep the signals flowing over longer distances or difficult terrain, they often put antennas on high ground or use relay stations and airborne repeaters. These help extend the range and keep the communication clear. In simple terms, military line of sight communication is about sending messages directly between two points with a clear, unobstructed view. It's vital for battlefield coordination but has limits because of physical barriers and the Earth's shape. Soldiers constantly adapt by changing their positions or using extra equipment to make sure their messages get through. This method remains a core part of military operations, helping units stay connected when it matters most.